In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Green Dot in a few easy steps. Whether you're using their website or the mobile app, the process is straightforward and designed to get you up and running quickly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Green Dot's website at www.greendot.com or download their app from either the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play if you're on Android. Having the app right on your phone can make managing your account a lot more convenient, especially when you're on the go. Once you have access to the website or app, you'll need to create your account. Look for the option that says Open an Account and click on it. This step will direct you to a form where you'll enter some essential information. You'll need to enter your name, complete address, email, phone number, social security number, and date of birth. This might seem like a lot, but it's all in the name of security and ensuring the integrity of your account. Don't forget to set up a username and password that you'll use to log into your account in the future. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. The next part involves verifying your identity. You might be asked to confirm your email address and mobile number, so it's a good idea to have access to both while you're setting up your account. In some instances, Green Dot may require you to upload a valid photo ID. This is a standard security measure to protect your financial information and secure your new account. Once your account is set up and verified, if a card has been delivered to you by Green Dot, you can activate it online. This typically involves entering your card's information on the website or app. Activating your card will allow you to start making transactions. Now that your account is ready and your card is active, let's look at how to enhance the security of your online banking setup. Begin by turning on notifications so you're always aware of what's happening with your account. You can usually set up text or email alerts for transactions, which provide a real-time update every time your card is used. For added security, it's highly recommended to enable two-step verification, commonly known as 2FA. This feature adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification beyond just your password. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your account activity. This habit will help you catch any unauthorized transactions early and ensure your account remains secure. And there you have it, a simple way to set up online banking with Green Dot. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.